Hello everyone, ئەحمەد here. In 2024, we must change. In 2024, we must strive for the better. In 2024, we must start and do new things. We must read new materials. We must make new goals. We must try to achieve something new that we did not do in the past. And therefore, in 2024, one must be better. Why? Because if you are weak, your surroundings will become weaker than you. That's all because of you. And you have a great responsibility for that. Therefore, you as an individual in 2024, you must strive for everything, for the better. You must try to learn more, read more, and do more. You have to take action on your dreams, on your family, on your people. You have to do good deeds. It's time to stop negative thinking. It's time to stop negative actions that are ruining your life. Make 2024 your landmark of success. Thank you for listening. Àḥmەd is here.